In a fast-moving city, where every minute matters, there's a silent problem that wastes time, fuel, and energy every single day. Fuel uncertainty. You leave home hoping to refuel quickly, but instead, you drive from one petrol pump to another. You wait in long lines. You ask questions no one can answer clearly. And eventually, you hear the same response: no stock. And by then, you've already wasted time and fuel getting there.
This isn't just inconvenience, it's a system failure. There's no real-time visibility, no shared data, no reliable way for people to make decisions before moving. And that's where technology should step in. So I started thinking, what would the simplest possible solution look like? Not a complex platform, not a heavy system, just something fast, clear, and instantly useful. A single interface that answers one question: where can I get fuel right now? So I built a fuel availability tracker, a real-time web application designed specifically for Bangladesh. It tells you instantly which petrol pumps have octane, diesel, or petrol, and which ones don't. But here's the part that changes everything. This entire application was not built manually. It was generated using a single, carefully engineered AI prompt. Not magic, not guessing, structured thinking. Because here's the truth. AI doesn't build great products. Clear thinking does. So instead of writing vague instructions, I defined the role: an expert full-stack developer, the stack, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, modern UI, and the system, dashboard, real-time status, filters, maps, admin updates. This is how you turn AI into a development partner. And then, the build begins. Files start appearing. Components get structured. Logic connects. UI takes shape. Within moments, what was just an idea becomes a working product. Here's the result: a minimal, modern, mobile-first interface. No distractions, no unnecessary features, just a clear list of petrol pumps designed for one purpose: speed. Because in real life, users don't explore, they decide. Each pump is represented as a smart card. It shows the name, location, and most importantly, fuel status. But not just available or not available. That's too basic. Instead, we show context. Green means available, but also shows how many liters are left, what the price per liter is, and exactly when the stock started. Red means stock out, no ambiguity. And yellow means something critical. Fuel exists, but is not being sold. This level of detail turns information into action. Because when someone is searching for fuel, they are not browsing. They are in a hurry. So everything is optimized for speed. Instant search by name or area, smart filters by fuel type, and a recent 24-hour filter to eliminate outdated information. Once a user finds a pump, one tap opens the exact location in Google Maps. No friction, just movement. But here's the real challenge: data accuracy. Because a system like this is only as good as its updates. So I introduced a simple model. Verified users can update fuel status in real time. They can input availability, liters, start time, and pricing. Now the system becomes alive.
And to make this trustworthy, verified petrol pumps are clearly marked. Because users don't just need data, they need confidence. Every design decision here is intentional. Color is used for clarity, layout is used for speed, interaction is reduced to the minimum. Even dark mode exists, not as a feature, but as usability. But this project is not just about fuel, it's about a shift. A shift from slow development to accelerated execution. From complex systems to focused solutions. From ideas to real products in minutes. The real advantage today is not just knowing how to code, it's knowing how to think. how to break down problems, how to design systems, and how to use AI as a force multiplier. Because the future belongs to builders who can move fast, think clearly, and solve real problems. This is just one example. More coming soon.
Like, share, and subscribe my channel must.